Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up? This is Korre with Mindstarter.com here, and what I just said at the beginning was what's going on, what's up, and those are what we call idioms or phrasal verbs, right? These are things that in the United States we say, but they may not have a literal meaning. They have what we call a figurative meaning, right? That only native speakers would quite understand. But we have a long list of these things that we use. It's probably one of the most requested topics by any of my students. And so I hope you guys are ready. We're gonna do this in a series because we got so many of them. So I hope you're ready. I'm excited to teach you about all of these idioms that we use here in the United States. So sit back, strap in, relax, and let's get learning. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
I'm good. How about you?
Pretty good. Long time no see.
Yeah.
Yeah? How's everything?
Same old, same old.
Yeah? How's school?
School's been fine.
Fine, yeah? Did you have any tests today? I think you said you had a test today or something, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How'd it go?
It was a breeze, actually.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Cool. Was it, so now you also had like some sort of presentation, like a speech or something you had to give?
Yeah.
How'd that turn out?
Oh, that was easy as pie.
Really? Oh, that's what's up, because I know you were like studying really hard for it. The last time I saw you were kind of practicing and everything.
No, that was a piece of cake.
Oh, cool, cool.
So the first idiom you heard is what's up.
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Now, instead of meaning what's up in the sky, this actually means what's good with you. This is a form of saying hello. In the next example, you'll hear another idiom used as a greeting or a response.
Hello, picking up the big order.
5216.
Okay, thank you. How are you doing? Ni hao.
How are you?
I'm good.
She said, long time no see. This idiom doesn't mean she was blind for a while. It means she hasn't seen me in a while.
I think you said you had a test today or something, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How'd it go?
It was a breeze, actually.
A breeze is a gentle wind. Thinking of how pleasant a breeze is, we might understand he means he had a pleasant, easygoing experience taking his test.
Now, you also had like some sort of presentation, like a speech or something you had to give?
Yeah.
How'd that turn out?
Oh, that was easy as pie.
Easy as pie is another idiom that's used to express that something was very easy. It also comes from the idea of a pleasant experience, like eating a delicious apple pie.
Really? Oh, that's what's up, because I know you were like studying really hard for it. The last time I saw you were kind of practicing and everything.
No, that was a piece of cake.
Like the easy as pie idiom, it was a piece of cake is used to express something that was very easy to do. Another idiom that can be used to express that something was easy to do is, it was a walk in the park. A walk in the park is something that's easy. So easy, it's like taking candy from a baby. This is another idiom used to express a very easy experience.
So I hope you really enjoyed this video in our series. Remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you're really serious about learning English, come and join us at Mindstarter.com. You'll be able to practice and rehearse all of the things that you hear us talking about, not only in sentences, but in situations and conversational English. You'll be able to practice and get a score based on how close you sound like a native speaker, and you can keep practicing until you improve. So remember, for the cost of a Netflix subscription, you can join Mindstarter.com and you can take your English to the next level. So I hope to see you there. Peace.